Alright guys, we are just going to do a basic tutorial on how to post to Facebook. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and pull up your phone or your tablet and look for the Facebook app and go ahead and click that open so we can go ahead and do our first post. Finding the Facebook app, you just want to click on it. It's going to take us to our main page, and what we want to do is scroll down and look for an area that says write something. That is where we're going to go ahead and start our post. Go ahead and click on write something. Up pops a icon here where we can actually write what we want to say for everyone in the Facebook land to go ahead and see. So I'm going to go ahead and just write a little bit of information. And I'm just going to say that I'm putting up more comic books. Whatever you want to write, it's perfectly fine to put it right here. It's what everyone's going to see. Now, I also want to go ahead and attach some images. So what I want to do is go down to the bottom right, and I'm looking for a green little icon that looks like a photo. Once I click on that green photo icon, it's going to take us to a bigger icon where we click it one more time, and it's going to pull up our camera roll. Our camera roll is going to be where we're going to be able to select a photo or two and post it to our writing. I'm going to go ahead and select a few photos. You can select, I believe, as many as you would like. I'm just going to select 3 and 4. And then we're going to go ahead to the top right where it says done and press done. And this is what it's going to look like. Now, we want to go up to the top right where it says continue, and for you it might say post. Top right, go ahead and click that. Now, your icon might look a tad bit different. It may say post, but we're going to go ahead and click that top right. Mine says publish because this is a business profile. I'm going to go ahead and press publish on the top right. And it is there for everyone to see. Let's go ahead and preview that. And there it is. Put up more comics with the photos attached. And that is it. That is your basic introduction on how to post to Facebook for everyone to see. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please leave a comment below for more information, and please subscribe. Thank you.